How to install Netflix from Play Store. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can install Netflix in Play Store. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to open up Google Play Store in your Android device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your Google account. From here, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner, and in the search bar, search for Netflix. And if you have already installed the application, make sure to update it, or if you have not installed it yet, you will find install button where I have update, so tap on install. Now, depending upon your internet connection, installation may take some time. Once the installation is complete, you can open up the application, log in into your Netflix account and start watching movies. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.